Goal setting is a powerful practice that allows individuals to clarify their aspirations and create a roadmap for success. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals, individuals can effectively channel their energy and focus towards meaningful objectives. Goal setting provides direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose, helping individuals stay on track and make progress towards their desired outcomes. It allows for the identification of actionable steps, breaking down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Additionally, goal setting promotes self-accountability and provides a framework for evaluating progress and celebrating achievements. By setting clear goals, individuals can unlock their potential, overcome obstacles, and ultimately bring their dreams to fruition. Mindset refers to the collection of beliefs, attitudes, and perspectives that shape our thoughts, behaviors, and reactions to life's challenges. It is the lens through which we interpret and navigate the world around us. A positive mindset is characterized